Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to easily reorder sections on your YouTube channel using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Sign into YouTube Studio. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 3. From the left menu, select Customization, then click on Layout. On the left-hand side of the YouTube Studio dashboard, you'll find a menu. Scroll down and click on Customization, then select Layout. Step 4. Click the vertical bar on the section you want to move, then drag and drop to reorder. Step 5. Click Publish. Once you're satisfied with the new order of your sections, click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the screen, and there you have it. You've successfully reordered the sections on your YouTube channel using your PC. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy YouTubing.